Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about battery show percentage setting. How can we on it guys? In my phone guys, you can see you cannot see guys my battery percentage, but why you want to on your battery percentage show. So you can on your show battery percentage setting in Oppo phone. So let's see how to on battery show percentage in Oppo phone. So first of all open your phone setting. Then guys click on notification and status bar setting. Notification status bar guys click here. Then guys click on status bar. Then guys third one guys you can see battery percentage. So we will on from the right side. After on guys you can see my battery percentage is showing. So I hope friends you have understood how to show battery percentage, how to on it in Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.